This video will introduce you to case studies. The term case study can mean different things. Some examples of case study types are situational examples from real companies, scientific studies, or fictitious stories that are written to teach the reader or give examples of specific situations. These can also be called personas, scenarios, user story, case, use case, case law, record, a dossier, a report, a study, and there are a variety of other names as well. The next thing you want to consider are the types of details that will be included within the study. If this is a case study that students will be using to complete an assignment or a discussion board post, you'll want to make sure that that study has everything that they need within it to complete that assignment. For example, facts and statistics. Consider if the case study needs to be factual or fictitious. Does it need to illustrate examples of specific needs, issue a statement of an issue, reference arguments, or represent a decision such as a court ruling? Also, what form should the case study have? Does it need to be just a short paragraph? Does it need to have figures and graphs? Should it be a full scenario? Once you've decided on the different details that need to be within the case study and what form the case study should have, you'll need to start searching for case studies. I'm going to show you a resource guide and guide you to some different types of resources that will help you finding case studies. We're going to start on the COSI Staff and Faculty Guide and navigate through Find Resources to finding case studies. Once we're on the COSI Staff and Faculty Guide, on the left-hand side you'll see Find Resources, hover, and go to Find Case Studies. Now this section of the guide will cover all the basics that you need to know when you start searching for case studies, including all the information from this presentation, like related terms, the types of case studies, case study details. I've also included example search phrases and the video tutorials that are related to case studies. If you scroll down, you'll see a variety of places where you can go and find case studies. For example, some in multi-search or our databases. There are internet resources listed here where you can go to find case studies. We've also put up here online journals and government and professional organizations. And if you're not finding anything through all of this searching, you can always contact Learning Resources. Of course, these will be resources that the students will have to pay for. The other option would be to create your own, and we've included some various tools and instruction for you to learn how to write your own case studies. So the COSI Staff and Faculty Guide Finding Case Studies section is going to be the best place for you to start when you're searching for case studies. And just to review, the various places you can go to find case studies are the Shapiro Library, internet resources, online journals, government websites, professional organizations, and Learning Resources, or create your own. Keep in mind that articles and ebooks can both have case studies. With the ebooks, you'll need to go into the ebook, look at the table of contents, or search within the chapters to find specific case studies that might be listed within them. And of course, if you need help from a librarian through this process, you can always get it from us through our reference services. And to access these services, you can click on FAQs from anywhere on the library's website, and you can either search through our FAQs or use the contact us information to email, text, phone, or chat with us 24/7. I hope this has helped, and good luck finding case studies.